Hello, I'm going to install slskd, the slsk client server in my Debian server. I'm going to use a Docker container, specifically with Docker Compose. So before that, you need to create a directory where you want to put your Docker Compose. I'm choosing /rpt/slskd. So inside that directory where you want to install the Docker server, you create the Docker Compose, the YAML file, just it's classic. And then before that, I want to create a create a user first dedicated for the application server with these command right here. User add. I already saved the command. User add strip r strip uppercase U shell user RS bin login, so that this new user has no login shell for security. But it's really up to you if you want to do this. But you can just skip to the part where I do the Docker Compose. I'm just doing it for security reasons. So let's make a new user called slskd, and then pick that ID, and then find the ID of slskd 9933 with group ID 981. So on the next step, we want to create a folder dedicated for the slskd directory, and and it's just really up to you where. Again, I'm probably going to use /var/lib/slskd, yeah, and then there I'm going to wait, I'm going to change the directory first, slskd, and then here I want to link my directory where I store my books, whatever files you want to share to media. Yeah, I want to share. Let's say that I want to share my library. So that's good. That goes my library. And don't forget to change the permission and the owner and the group owner of the directory. Well, if you're doing this, all right, and it's really up to you where you want to put your volumes path. I'm going to explain it right away, and you can just skip it if you want to skip this. Right now, I'm going to change the owner. Okay, so let's try to go back to where we want to apply the Docker Compose. I don't know, I don't know if the word apply really works well. Then let's try to copy here. I want to see the user ID of the slskd K993 with group ID of 981. So let's specify the user, but I kind of forgot here, sorry. Sorry, kind of forgot how. So, oh, okay. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay, so the user 991 and 983. I don't know if it's right though. 981. Okay. 3981. And specify the volumes here as volumes where you want to store your sourcing data, and probably the default the directory you want to share. I'm going to choose the path where I already hard coded it before. And then just docker compose d. Then you just wait. And as we're waiting, I want to tell you that the tutorial is all here. You can just see it, it's all here. And you probably probably confused I mean you're probably watching this because you don't know how to docker compose, and that's okay. Okay, so let's try to see system control status. Then if it's up, just go to the your server's address and port. Here it's HTTP, I believe, and it runs default username and password as LSKD. Okay, and I think it's done right here. Thanks for watching.